Hello everyone, here is vanAmsen's. Welcome back. Today we are delving into binary tree again with a particular focus on the lead code problem number 94, Inorder Traversal. Let's dive into a task. So the problem is pretty straightforward. We are given the root of a binary tree and we need to return the Inorder Traversal of its nodes value. For those of you new to the concept, Inorder Traversal means visiting the left subtree, the root node, and then the right subtree in that order. So let's take a look at some examples. For instance, if we have a binary tree with root equal 1 and null to 3, the output should be 1, 3, 2. This is because the Inorder Traversal visits the root 1 first, then goes to the left, which is null, then goes to the right subtree where 3 is visited before 2. So if a root is empty, the output is empty list. For a single node, the output will be the value of that node. So now let's get to the interesting part. How do we solve this? So you might be tempted to just go for a recursive solution, but today we are going to challenge ourselves and try to solve this iteratively. So let's make our implementation, and I will comment and initialize the result list and stack. So result and stack, both list, and start from the root node. So current root and while loop to visit all nodes. So while true, if current node exists, so if current is not known, then add the current node to the stack and move to the left child. So stack append current and current equals current left. So if current node does not exist, add stack is not empty. So else if stack, so remove the last node from the stack and current stack pop add the value of the node to the result list. So result append current value and move to the right child. So current right, and if both the stack and the right child are empty, break the loop. So else break and we exit the loop. Return the result list. So here we return result, and this is our implementation. So now let's check if it's running for given test cases. Yes, so as we can see, both test cases passed and example was solved exactly as mentioned before. So what's going on here? We start by initializing our result list and a stack. We then set current node to the root, and we then enter a while loop, which will run until we have visited all nodes. If the current node is not known, so it exists, we append it to our stack and move to the left child. If there is no left child, we pop the topmost element from the stack, append it to our result list, and move to its right child then. We repeat this process until both the stack and so both the stack and the right child are empty. And at the end, we return the result list with each inordered traversal of the whole binary tree. So yeah, let's look here. So yeah. So this is logic behind the solution. So instead of using recursion, we do it iteratively. So that's it for today. I hope this made binary tree Inorder Traversal a little less intimidating, and you learn something new. So let's see how it's worked for unseen test cases. So yeah, for unseen test cases with respect to memory, we beat 19% and 42 with respect to runtime. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more coding content. And as always, keep practicing and happy coding. See you next time.